Black Dal, creamy, velvety, and deeply comforting. Imagine tender lentils simmered for hours in a rich buttery tomato and spice gravy. It's a dish with humble roots but extraordinary flavor. You're going to master it, right here on Burmawala Kitchen. We begin with 200 grams of whole black urad dal. These tiny black lentils might not look like much at first, but after a slow cook, they transform into something magical. We soak them overnight, which is essential for that perfect, creamy texture. Here's the batch I soaked yesterday. See how inky the water is? That's normal. We'll rinse the lentils thoroughly now, washing until the water runs clear. This step removes bitterness and ensures a clean base. Into a large pot they go. We add the soaked dal, along with 2 medium onions, roughly chopped, and 1 tablespoon of salt for seasoning. Then we pour in 4 cups of water and bring it all to a boil. As it simmers, a little scum will rise to the top. Just skim that off. Once it's boiling steadily, we cover with a lid and reduce the heat, letting it cook gently for about 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours. But trust me, it's worth every minute. Or if you're short on time, the pressure cooker is your best friend. Now, after those 4 hours, the dal is completely softened. Unfortunately, I forgot to film it at this stage, but what you'll do next is drain away the boiling water. It can carry a bitterness. And then pour in just enough cold water to cover the dal by about a centimeter. That's roughly 2 cups. Give it a stir to loosen everything up. Now it's time to build those flavors. We stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala for warm, complex spice, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder for a gentle heat, and 4 tablespoons of tomato purée, which will give our dal its signature tang and deep red color. Some recipes call for cooking the tomato and spice separately, but honestly, we're keeping it simple. Just chuck it all in and give it a good mix. As the dal heats up again, the color starts to change, and the aroma starts coming alive. With the pot bubbling away gently, in goes the star of the show, 125 grams of butter. Yes, butter. That's what makes Dal Makhani, Makhani. The word itself means buttery. This is what gives the dish that rich, indulgent mouthfeel. Now, some people like to pop the lid back on and let it cook even longer at this stage. But honestly, we've already done the hard work. The lentils are soft, the flavors are infused. All we need now is to simmer gently and stir occasionally for about 10 more minutes, until the dal is thick, glossy, and utterly luxurious. And then, for the final flourish, 150 milliliters of double cream. This takes the dal to a whole new level of indulgence. We turn the heat right down low and fold it in gently, letting it swirl through the dal until everything is smooth, silky, and perfectly combined. Pop the lid back on and let it rest on the lowest heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Just let it settle. Let the magic happen. And there it is, our creamy, dreamy, heartwarming Dal Makhani. Look at that consistency. Thick, luscious, glossy. The kind of dal you can eat with a spoon like soup. Let's finish it off with a flourish of fresh coriander, finely chopped, bright green against that deep coppery red. This is a dish that feels like home. Yes, it takes a little time, but every second is worth it, and you don't need to babysit it. It's perfect for meal prep. This recipe makes around 8 portions, freezes beautifully, and reheats like a dream. It's also mild enough for the whole family, not too spicy, just deeply flavorful. Best served with roti, paratha, or even just a bowl of hot fluffy rice. As a Burmese household for us, rice is life. And let's be real, if you ordered a portion of this at a restaurant, it would cost you a tenner or more. But now, you can make a whole batch at home and have it ready whenever you fancy. Just a few minutes in the microwave, and you've got something that tastes like it's been simmering for hours, because it has. Before we wrap up, I've got something really exciting to share. We've just launched our very first food product, and it's called Thami Leto. It's a Burmese rice and noodle topper, absolutely packed with flavor, texture, and just the right amount of heat. Think crispy fried onions, roasted peanuts, toasted sesame seeds, rich spices, tangy lime juice, and in the original version, real sardines and fish sauce for that deep, savory umami kick. All you do is mix it into hot rice or noodles, and boom, instant flavor bomb. You can even spread it on toast, or top it with coriander, onion, a squeeze of lemon. It's ridiculously addictive. We've also made a 100% vegan version, so no one has to miss out. You can grab a jar right now from the link in the description. Honestly, I'm so proud of this. It's been in the works for a while, and I cannot wait for you to try it. Thank you for joining me again in the Burmawala kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.